So in this video, let's see guidance for the earth sign, what comes up. Okay, so the first message is Seven of Gabriel, and with this card I would say, guys, you need to give a fight wherever necessary. You might be facing some challenges, some obstacles, so here you do not have to stop. You need to give a fight, but also be very mindful, very considerate that do you even need to give that fight, or just by convincing, just by understanding what's the actual issue or the matter, it will get solved. Also, please look into this. And fight doesn't mean that you have to do a lot of violence and also, but just like you need to take a stand for yourself. So please be very considerate that where you need to just argue or just create scenes and all, if you can avoid, please do that. Do it very in a humble way, but you need to take a stand for yourself. Second message, okay, King of Raphael. So please, I would say that focus on your emotions. Please balance it if you are feeling little bit unbalanced also. Maybe because now new year is about to start, maybe because of that you may feel, so you need to work on your emotions. You need to become very compassionate. Now I know not everyone, you then cannot be good with each and everybody, right? But how much ever possible from your side, I guess you can work it, you can give your full try, right? Please do that if possible. Please do some donation work. This is also what I would like to say with this card. And yes, but mostly you need to work on your emotions, balance it, because at times you know they are overflowing, they are overwhelming. This is what I'm channeling here. Eight of Gabriel. So something is coming towards you in a very fast way, in a speedy way. Maybe if you had performed some rituals, some remedies, law of attraction thing or so, then yes, your manifestations are about to come in front of you, or that right opportunity, that right person, or whatsoever you were looking for is coming towards you. Maybe a communication also that you were looking for, that you were waiting for. Maybe you may travel somewhere for few days. This is also what I see. So be ready. Let's see another if you're looking for some sort of investment, be very careful that that particular investment company is genuine, or so go deep within. This is what I would say. And whatever knowledge, whatever experience you have achieved till now, use it for your own good. You need to have little patience, you need to keep on working even if you don't see results. This is what has been said.